Hi there, I'm Lisa from Lisa's Creative Corner. Today I get to share with you my June 2025 project kit. I thought it would be a good idea to show you in a video what my project looks like this month versus just the still photos that I usually share, because this month's kit includes 4 cards that are interactive and fun fold cards, so I thought you might want to see them in action. So before I share with you what the cards look like, I thought I would take this opportunity to share a little bit about how my monthly project kits work. So each month I highlight a Stampin' Up! Product or bundle or suite, and I create a project around it. And if you purchase that product, then I send you a pre-cut kit for free during that month. And the pre-cut kits include all of the cardstock that's needed, and if they're cards, then I also include the envelopes. And I don't include, if there are dies that are in the bundle that you purchase, then I don't do the die cutting for you, but I do include all of the cardstock that's needed for the die cuts. And as I mentioned, it will also include envelopes if they're cards. Sometimes I do scrapbook layouts, sometimes I do boxes or fun like home decor or 3D items, and obviously those wouldn't include the envelopes, but all the cardstock that you would need is included. And then I also include a full printed step-by-step instruction guide, and in that guide is a full supply list and a cutting guide and lots and lots of photos with step-by-step instructions on how to make the project. And if you decide you don't want to order the products or you already have them, you are welcome to just order the project guides separately. Now I will include a link down below to the page on my website where you can purchase my project guides, and I usually have the guides ready by the end of the month. And I do have a special right now. If you purchase 5 guides, you get to choose a 6th guide for free. And the way that it's set up right now is you place the order for the guides, I get an email, and then within 24 hours I will manually email you the PDF files. But the good news is that I am having my website redesigned. I'm going to be setting it up so that in the future you will be able to download the PDF files yourself as soon as you make the purchase. So stay tuned for that. That is coming soon. Are you ready to see what the project looks like this month? Well, come on, let's take a peek. In this kit, you'll learn how to make 4 fun fold cards. You'll learn how to make this one, which is a vertical Z-fold card. You'll also learn how to make a horizontal Z-fold card, like this one. Don't you just love these adorable drinks from the Celebratory Sips Designer Series paper? I actually think this card is my favorite. It's a little slider card, so when you pull it, it reveals a little surprise for you, and it opens up horizontally, which I think is kind of fun as well. And this card has a fun little flap on the right side, but it's not a full flap, so you can see the little tiny message that's on the inside when it's closed on the outside. For more information on how you can get the instructions on how to make these cards and even get a free pre-cut kit, visit the link down below or visit my blog at lisascreativecorner.com. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.